Okay, we're gonna film this little road ending down in San Francisco. There's a cinema right here, and kind of in a big parking lot, Cine Teatro Macau. And I'll give you the name of the street right there too in a minute. So stay tuned. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, before we go down the street, there's also this park right here too. Lisboa is up there. So let's just see, we kind of walk across a little bit. Got this nice black and white tile. We're just gonna cross into the street a little bit. Some little alleys in this way that can take you to spaghetti restaurant I go to sometimes. There's a cinema, and here's our street right here, Rua de Santa Clara. You got some black and white tiles as well. And there's a park to the right and a little kiosk. I think that kiosk used to be like police, I think. Now it's like maybe a small library, I think. There's some, I don't know what that is. It's kind of cool though. Got some movies in here. Let's see what's playing. Oh, this is like a Macau thing. Yeah, it looked like there were some people that looked like they were some kind of mixed Portuguese and things like that too. And Chinese, of course. You see some of the names, Charlotte. There's, well, some of the... Anyways. Okay, so that's a little bit of Macau for you. Okay, so let's just kind of see what the movies are in here. Peter Rabbit, okay. E.T. kind of thing. Okay, so that's our cinema, Quiet Place Part 2. Okay, so we're gonna head on out, and that's the cinema. Diocese, so this one I think, Shalom means peace in Hebrew. Okay, middle school right here. Beautiful building, wow, really beautiful. Colegio de Santa Rosa de Lima. I think this street is called Rua de Santa Clara, I believe. There's some information. Got a beautiful park. I'm a little tempted to go in that park, but I think we'll stay true to our Rua de Santa Clara, which is basically a parking area next to a main street. The main street is called Grande Praia, big beach. So this would have been at the big beach. There used to be a beach here, and all that is all reclaimed land. So if you look at some old maps of Macau, you can see the way it used to be, and it would have this used to be overlooking the beach, and this military club was on the corner, and the ocean would go around it. There's a big thing over there that would go around, and Rua de Santa Clara would end over here. Probably the end of this pink building where it runs into Grande Praia, Avenida de Grande Praia. And then we got this beautiful park right here, Jardins de San Francisco. And that park goes up into that area as well. But I think what we're gonna do is just stay on our street, Rua de Santa Clara, and just kind of show you to the end of that. But yeah, that's the military club up there and to the side as well. I've definitely filmed in here a number of times. That says 2021, 2021. They change it every year, so in 8 months it'll say 2022. That'll be a dead end, you can't go any further than that. But we can go to the corner. And I think we'll capture that street name again. It's Grand Lisboa, straight ahead. So yeah, Rua de Santa Clara. Somebody walking around in there. Cannons up there as well. I think you have to see the cannons from the other side, because this would be Rua de Santa Clara would have went inland a little bit, parallel to Big Beach Road. This would have been Big Beach Road, but then they turned that into a park, and then this is a parking lot basically. and then they're over here. And then, so yeah, this is a military club right here, and then at the end there's like a little thing, fortified thing with cannons on top. And I filmed it here a number of times, so I'm not going to film it this time, but it's definitely there. And Brenda's boat's right there. Some new scaffold buildings. This is all new right there. And that's going to be our focus, this one right here. Rua de Santa Clara. And I think I'll just show you a little bit of this park before we end this one. Beautiful banyan tree. Let's just take a look at that before we end this one. Get up a little closer, because that's actually it's quite beautiful. It overlooks our street anyways, but look at those root systems. Doesn't really give perspective. Put my hand in front of the camera, but okay, Rua de Santa Clara. Chiquinha, chiquinha.